Have you made your own vanilla before? This is all I have left. I made this about, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 years ago. And I was thinking, I still have time to make some more vanilla before Christmas because I would like to give a lot of my neighbors and maybe some family members a little bottle of vanilla, maybe just a 2-ounce bottle. And I thought I'll bring you along for this. Welcome to the Common Sense Grandma. My name is Michelle, and today we're just doing a very simple project on making vanilla. All you need is vanilla beans and alcohol of your choice. Now this one, I used vodka. It never occurred to me to use a different kind of alcohol. And I was thinking spiced rum might be really nice, but that might be too strong for a lot of different applications. So I thought we're gonna go the bourbon route. So I picked up a bottle at Sam's Club this morning. Now, I thought with my project I'm doing, I had enough vanilla beans. My plan was to just put these vanilla beans in here. There are 15 vanilla beans. And I looked at a lot of other recipes. They all said this would be fine. And then I saw some more recipes and they said, no, it goes by weight. This is 1.7 ounces of vanilla beans. And that's good enough for 2 cups. So I'm just gonna make the small amount today and then I'll need to order more vanilla beans. But I wanted to get this going as soon as possible. So all we're going to do is put these, I'm gonna put them on my cutting board here because I'm going to split the beans just a little bit, make a cut in them so we get more of that delicious goodness. It's kind of hard to cut this, it's sticky. There we go. Okay, so I got these on, oh goodness, they're bourbon vanilla beans. I got these on Amazon. They were $9.95 and this was, I wrote it down here somewhere, $16.94, almost $17. So it's a very inexpensive project. And let me just tell you, so this batch is going to cost $20.62 for the 8 ounces. I may put a little bit more. I might just make this go up a little bit. I'm sure as it sits, it will be fine. In fact, when I did this before, I used a quart mason jar and I think I only put 10 or 12 vanilla beans and it was okay, but it could have been a little bit stronger. But as time went on, I just kept adding more vodka to it and it would sit and it was fine. I'm actually gonna go a little bit more. How much is that? That's 18 ounces. Let's just put a little more. We're just gonna go ahead and do that much. Set that aside. So with these vanilla beans, we're just going to split them. And I didn't do that the first time I made them. I just stuck them in. Where's my knife? Here we go. And of course, the longer you let them sit, the better. So I'm just scoring them. It's just kind of not easy to do. So I believe there's 15 beans here. Of course, they will open up as it goes, as they soak. And so since today is August 25, by the way, Dolly Parton just died a couple hours ago. And I have to admit I was crying. But August 25, so we have until December 25. Are any of you a Dolly Parton fan? Please let me know in the comments below. One of these days, I would like to do a video of ask me your questions about me. And one of them you will find out is I'm a huge music lover. A lot of kinds of music. I do play piano. I like to sing. Don't sing great, but I can carry a tune. But Dolly is just, you know, there was nobody else on earth like her. And we sure are gonna miss her. Not that that has anything to do with vanilla beans, but I have to admit, I cried a little bit, and I'd come out and told my husband. He goes, "What's wrong?" And I said, "Dolly Parton just died." He goes, "Oh, I'm so sorry." So he goes, "Come here." So he hugged me for a while. But I thought this would just be nice gifts. Now, when I give these to my neighbors, the jars will probably not be this big. That's a lot. I don't know how many ounces that is. At least 4. I didn't check it. But I'll probably do 2-ounce jars. And I think actually we have some. I think we have a box of amber colored jars that my daughter, somebody gave them to her, and we thought, well, we'll just keep them. We'll do a project with them for something. And okay, last 2. I did not count. I hope there's 15 in here. But here we go. All you do is put this in a cupboard, a dark cupboard that's going to stay closed. I was gonna say back there, well, through that door is my laundry room. And that's where I kept them before. I just kept them behind everything and kept them in the cupboard there. And so that's what we will do. So after 4 months, I will have to do a follow-up little clip here of how they turned out. But I think this is a good idea to use the bourbon. Vodka, I think, is the normal recipe. That's what most people use. It's a little bit more neutral. But I just thought bourbon would be nice in a lot of recipes. This does smell, oh, it smells so good. It smells really good. And it's funny because I don't like vanilla ice cream, but of course you cook with vanilla, and it does add a lot to different recipes. So I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if any of you are going to make your own vanilla, and when this is done in 4 months, we will of course come together again and do a follow-up. So I will see you all in the next video. Blessings to each of you. Bye.